Okay, I'm on a call here that there's no heating, and if you look, blower comes on. We'll just wait a second. Inducer motor kicks in. The igniter's lit up. Here it's gonna kick on here. Burners kick on, and then it kicks off. This is most likely going to be a dirty flame sensor. I'm going to show you guys how to clean that. This right there, that white thing right there is the flame sensor, and it can get carbon buildup or be dirty, so it can't sense the flame. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. You'll see on the flame sensor, there's a screw, probably a 1/4 inch screw right there. You'll take that off, and I've got some steel wool that I'll be using to clean the flame sensor. Here we go, I'm unscrewing that flame sensor. Now that I got that unscrewed, also the furnace is unplugged, so then I disconnect the flame sensor, screws undone, and go ahead and pull that out. And I'm going to clean this bad boy with the steel wool. Now I've cleaned it all off. I slide it back in where it goes. I can connect that back on. Okay, I got that screwed back on. Now we'll plug the power back in. Here we go, we hear it kick on. Inducer motor goes. Give it a sec, we'll see the igniter light up. There goes the igniter. In just a minute we'll hear the gas. Here comes the gas. We got some blue flames. And they're staying on. So there's a quick fix for if your furnace just keeps cutting out when it's trying to light. Could just be the flame sensor.